Did you know that concrete paver blocks and curb stones are the backbone of modern flexible paving solutions? From roads and driveways to walkways, they're preferred for their durability, aesthetics, and long-term sustainability. Let's break down how paver blocks and curb stones are made. The process starts with cement, sand, aggregates, water, and coloring pigments. These materials are mixed to a consistent blend, poured into rigid steel molds, then compacted using vibration or compression for strength. After molding, the blocks are cured for 7 to 28 days depending on grade, before finishing and quality checks. Only use factory-sealed, undamaged blocks. Store them in a clean, dry space, and always inspect for cracks, chips, or water damage before use. Proper site preparation is critical. Excavate to the required depth, compact the subgrade, and lay a stable gravel base. Install edge restraints or curb stones to maintain boundary stability. For added durability, set curbs in mortar beds with properly filled joints. Next comes the bedding layer, a 25 to 38 mm sand bed spread evenly. Using string lines for alignment, lay pavers with 1.6 to 3 mm joint width. Tap with a rubber mallet for adjustments. Cut blocks neatly for edges or curves. Finally, sweep dry sand into joints, vibrate for settlement, and ensure the surface is compacted before use. Protect the paved area until handover. Replace damaged blocks immediately, clean the site daily, and shield the pavement from heavy traffic until the bedding sand is locked in. For added strength, use geotextile sheets between base and bedding. In walkways, create a soldier course. Blocks laid end to end along the edges. Always begin from one corner and work systematically to avoid misalignment. Today, designer and color-coated blocks are popular for premium finishes. Advanced molds, plastic, rubber, silicone, or PVC offer unique styles. Machine automation improves quality and speeds up production. For entrepreneurs, eco-friendly paving solutions and local demand can create strong business opportunities. But remember, continuous quality control ensures lasting performance. For professional practice, always follow Indian Roads Congress guidelines, ISO codes for materials, and standard specifications for bedding and joint sand gradation. These ensure safety, durability, and compliance. Paver blocks and curb stones, simple to install, durable in performance, and a smart choice for modern infrastructure. Want more insights on construction techniques and civil engineering tips? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for updates.